Today we talk about how can you enable customization on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on your name here, you just click on it. So when you click on your name, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on personalization, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on customizations. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You come to customizations. You click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean customizations enable with us now. And here can you tap to add, and here tap to add here what word you like ChatGPT to know about your to private picture responses here, or how would you like to ChatGPT to respond. Can you add it? So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.